All right, good afternoon and welcome to an update review for today. Today is December 13, 2023 and it's a Wednesday. And here's the headline you see from, CNBC. Fed hold rate steady indicate 3 cut incoming 24. And that's huge. That decision is going to have a positive impact on the stock. And also on this Friday, we have quadruple switching, which is called OPEC's option expiration for this quarter, end of the year quarter. So there's lots of factors that make the market so volatile and make a big move. And if we catch the big move, we make huge money. So like today, you see right there, when the Fed decision released at 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 14 hour right there, it jumped. It make a huge jump right there, right? And then it make a retracement. We saw a diversion, and we tried to short them, but I think a little bit too quick. Later on, we learned that it took half an hour. Normally, let give an hour for the momentum to die out, then we can do a short right there. Otherwise, catch on the move, right? Because it's the first leg, and here's the second leg. Exactly right here, we're gonna enter right here. Beautifully. Okay, let's remove it now. So we're gonna, for retracement trade, right, it's the first leg, second leg, put a buy stop right here. When you see it moved out, put buy stop right there. So it make like it's gonna break down this level, but it's not. So that's the trick right there, even though we see diversion right there. So I think a lot of people get caught up in this also, and we did, right? The novice people, but for the experience and the trained eye, they can see the setup beautiful right here. First leg up and retracement, right? It's like gonna break down or reversal. It's basically it's a turtle soup is for breakout, and this retracement is a false reversal. Yeah, you can say it's false reversal right there. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, beautiful idea right here, right? So the full reversal or retracement is trend follower trade. So what's the low of this one? 467.21 right there. So in order to trade a full breakout, right, we see breakout, and right here we put a buy stop, sell stop right here, we get stop out right away. Then we either entry right here for long trade, or we either put a buy stop right here. That's two scenarios for us. It would try to short at it here because we thought it's gonna be a full breakout, right? And we get stop out, then we have to re-entry long right here, right? Let's see. Do we take any right here? I think we do take one trade right here. Yeah, short sell price divergent. Yeah, let's see, what time is this? 14:24. Where is 14:24? Oh, right here. Yes, exactly right here, right? We go in, let's see. Yeah. Right here. So we short the level, okay? And we put a stop loss right here, and it's supposed to break out, right? It's gonna be 4 break out to the upside. That means it's gonna come down. But in this case, you see this scenario, then you have to re-enter long. Yeah, so we can catch the move. But if we want to short, we have to wait for an hour. You don't go too early, right? So start move right here about 14 and wait maybe around 15 right here, right? You have the everything lined up right here. So that's the thing we document, right? At that, when we go in at 1424, we see the Raven, we see the RSI diversion, but we get our stop loss at hit at 1434, which is 10 minutes later. 34 right here, 34. So we're going right here, 24, get out 34. We got stop out. As soon as we get stop out, we have to enter long right away because we know that you're gonna make a second leg up right here. We still make a huge profit right there. If we go long, $45, and we can go up here, we can get a decent profit right there. So if we too short right here, right, when you're above there, we put in, we take it in, and right here is supposed to go down and break this level, but it did not. So it's a false reversal. You understand the false reversal concept? The false reversal is similar like retracement, right? Like up retracement and then go up. So it's a trend follower setup. Very beautiful setup. Okay, let's do that right here. So basically we're gonna, when it breaks below this level, well, this level you can call it a breaker. As soon as it moves below it, put a buy stop in. This is a breaker, right? This is a breaker. You see that? This is the breaker. Then this is a fall breakout. If the fall breakout, if we try to short, right? Then if we fail, then we have to re-enter long. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, we want to go long based on retracement pattern or fail reversal, right? Then we put a buy stop when it's just, below that level. Okay, so let's do this right now. I mean, even though the RSI diversion, but because of the leg up right here too strong, then we should not concern that if we made reversal, because it's so-called fail reversal, right? Even though the RSI is diversion, so that's a lot of people caught up with with the move, and they thought that it's gonna be a reversal because based on RSI. So this is a huge move right here. So here's the idea how we entry, okay? But you see that it take the sell side right there. As soon as we saw it take the sell side and it fell below this one, we put the buy stop right away, because this is gonna be a fail reversal or retracement trade. Okay, let's document it. Let's see the verbiage, how we come with the verbiage that make it easy for to follow the instruction next time we saw this set of form, right? So the idea right here is we give this a name, right? We can call force reversal, which is the same called retracement or pullback or retracement, or so-called pullback right here, right? And it's a long setup. Well, the first condition we need to have is a huge, right? Very huge, like up, right? In this case, it's $3. You know, $3.37, right? After I high impact new release, in this case up or MOMC meeting, right? And we saw the RSI diversion, and that's the tricky right there. This diversion is a false signal, because it will trick other you know, trader thought that it's gonna be reversal, but it's not, right? It is diversion. In this case, is a, you know, false signal, and that's what we did. We thought that is the diversion is mean that the momentum is reach climax, it about to shift, but it's not. In this case, it's a diversion. I mean, in this case, it's a false diversion because of the first move is too big, so it's not gonna be reversal right away for the first 30 minutes. We have to wait for at least 1 hour in order to for the reversal can take place. So that's the physics right there. The first, you know, it's like a physics. When it moves too fast, it cannot just reverse right away. It takes time for it to slow down, and when it's exhausted, it's gonna reverse. Is that an idea that you're not gonna expect, you know, he'll move up and then he'll move down right away? It might, but we never know, right? So, but in this case, we have to come up with a framework so we can work. By the way, we don't need to be right all the time. You know, that based on the statistic we have, you know, with our own trade, we only right about 48%, which to make money. So that's also another thing right there. So we don't need to be perfect, but at least we have some framework to work with, and we improve it, right? So that's an idea. So we have our diversion, and we will do what? So we will put in, right, a buy stop order. At 467.14. When Sesame were taken, and it go below the entry level. So basically when we see the buy side liquidity was taken right here, right, and it go below the entry level, then we put a buy stop right there. That is the first entry. But if somehow we miss this, we will entry right here. Entry at 467.60. Okay. The second entry is 467.60 right there. So if we miss that entry, we put right there. So I have two entry right there. So this trade is for reversal, right? Which is the opposite of the turtle soup, right? Turtle soup is false breakout, which is a reversal right there. Yeah, and this is a trend follower, right? Basically, this is a trend. We have to see the difference, right? It's a trend follower. This is a trend follower. Remember that. We have to divide, or we have to categorize our trade into two types. One is called trend follower. The other is trend reversal, which is turtle soup is trend reversal right there. So we can trade both ways. So we don't miss the opportunity. We can capture, either move. We know the market gonna make a big move, and we want to capture that move. Either side, right? So we have to identify so-called critical point or location where it's gonna make the big move. Either way, we know they're gonna make the big move. Either way, then we can yield a good risk reward. A good entry or a good, position sizing, then we go sharp, right? If we try to short right here, it fell, then soon as we go in and we go long. That's an idea right there. So that means we do a very low risk trade. We try it out, very low risk. If not work, then we go with the trend, right? We try to do reversal trend with fall breakout turtle soup. If not, then we go long. But we need to train our subconscious mind or our eye. As soon as we saw a huge leg up right here, look for retracement trade, look for reversal. And it happened around the swing high right here. When we see the sell side liquidity were right here, were rated, were taken, and it fall below this breaker, right? Then we know that we put a buy stop right there. Let's add a little bit note right here. So we have a sell side liquidity, we're rated, and it's below the breaker, right? In this case, it's a bullish breaker, right? Is that bullish breaker? Yeah, it's a bullish breaker. Yeah, breaker block. So this is our breaker right here, okay? And this is the sell side liquidity rate right there. Okay, that's okay. Then if we go in right here, then our stop loss gonna be swing low right here. You see that? That's the beautiful right there. Let me see. And when we go with this, we normally with it we just trail our stop loss because we don't know what, or at least it's around. You see, it's gonna hit the high time frame level that we identify on daily time frame. We know that gonna be move up. That's the reason why we identify so-called resistance or supply level, which is 470.82. It's read all the way there, but not hit that yet. I think it's 74 right there. Yeah, we can mark right here, right? We can mark right here the stop loss, and we have the risk reward ratio. Stop loss there. Let's go with now. It's got trailing stop loss. Right, stop initial. Start our strategy right there. Okay, and our target is maybe right here. Right, a little bit, target. How do we define the targets? We base on the price technical level, or it can be time, right? We just want to hold a trade around 1 hour. Targets, high time frame, at 470.82 ish. Or we can do what? Or we can just hold for 60 minutes or so, right? So we can safely, lock our profit right there. But if you leave it into the end, you still have your profits. But we may look a little bit nervous or discomfort when we see this retracement or pull back right there. But if we stick through at the end, we will get that anyway. All right, I think that's enough verbiage for this trade right there. It's a beautiful setup. If we train our subconscious, constant mind, and our eye at that level, I think we are pro. I think we're gonna make a huge money. We don't know when we reach level, but we will get there. I mean, right now we start see it now, or we see after the fact. But the more we practice, the closer we get into the real time. Remember, the time is on our side. We will get there. No matter what happens, we will get there. So this one we call is a fall reversal. Yeah, you can say fall reversal, but our other name is called breakout. Right? A breakout trade. Yeah, it's a breakout. Yeah, it's a breakout. Yeah, breakout, or it's a fall reversal. It's not reversal. You can say that. Yeah, I think the other people call, a very common call is a breakout trade. And it's a trend follower, as is. And entry time. Yeah, I mean, they don't give us opportunity to go in on the first 20 minutes, but in 20 minutes or so, we keep going, keep up, right? But this one gives you the setup right there. To be a trend follower, right? You want to right in there. Because you want to make sure it's a full reversal so you can go in. And the entry time is 14:24. No, 31. Oh, okay, so 30 minutes later. Okay, and this is a long setup. Remember, it's a long setup. Follow the trend, right? It's a long setup. It's a breakout. Okay. Breakout, or you have another name called fall reversal, right? People will thought, oh, it's gonna reversal because it moved up so much, and the RSI reversal. I mean, the RSI is diversion. It's a long setup, and this is a trend follower. Yeah, we don't want to encapsulate that. We want a raw URL. Yeah. So you have to pay attention at RSI diversion. Sometimes the RSI diversion gives you a false, it's a false signal, right? You have to understand that. And when it gives you the false signal, that means the trend will continue, right? That means the trend will continue. It's not reversal. Yep. So that's why it's trend follower right there. Okay, I think we would add more into this, but I think we run out of time, so I just want to go back to this trade, right? The trade right here, we try to short them. We short right here, we fell, right? We go long, and look, we can short them again. We can try short again when it hit this level right here, and we can see that at that moment. So if you want to short them, wait for an hour or so, right? That's an idea right there. We learned a lesson right here, right? That because of the trend so strong, right? We must move up, start up, break even possible, or wait for an hour or so to compare the entry. and we found a better entry at 1506, so which is right here, entry right here at 1506 right there. We entered it right there above there, so we just enter a sell order right here and put our stop loss right at that level, so 52 cents. And if we reach the target, we have 1 to 2 risk reward ratio right there, the conservative targets. But later on we learned that it hit all the way here at 460, 160, and it makes sense because remember this is the key level right here. No, 468.37. Yeah, it hit 468 level right here, so we have big profit. We have $1.97. Yeah, 1 to 3 right there, which is 52, right? 52, is that 52? And $1.97. $95, $1.95. And what is this one? Oh, 92, 52, not 92. So it's almost 1 to 3 reward ratio right there. So we set the target based on the level, or at least when we see it hit the low of the RSI. Yep. All right, I think we run out of time today. We're very busy. We do 3 recording, right? The first is the first hour, and then we do the FOMC meeting release, press release, and now we do the end of day. So a little bit more activity than usual. Anyway, thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, so success will come to us. Success will come to our way. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Bye for now.